is a Ghost 2 Immobiliser on a 2019 Mercedes A-Class. How it works, if someone got the key to this and went to steal the vehicle, the ignition's going to power up, but the engine's just not going to start. They're going to be unable to drive it away, and it comes up with these faults. If they keep trying, obviously it's just not going to start. We'll keep trying. Nothing's going to happen until you go through your unique code. So how to do that: you keep your foot off the brake. When you first get into the vehicle, you'll have to double tap the start button to get the ignition on with all the lights. Go for a unique code. We have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4 for this video. We wait for a double flash down here from the full beam, and then foot on the brake, and we'll be able to start the vehicle up and drive it away. When we turn the vehicle off, this activates by itself. You don't need to worry about it. And next time you get in the car to drive it, after a couple of seconds, you're going to need that code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Obviously the customer can set their own code with this system, put it in service mode, and as long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, your vehicle's going to be in service mode.